Tired of dealing with hard-to-reach electrical outlets? Meet Easy Outlet, the world's first telescoping outlet extender. Quickly relocate your electrical outlets without hardwiring. Extends from 22 to 34 inches for optimal length. Provides vertical and horizontal access. Rotates up to 180 degrees for perfect placement. Damage-free command strips affix the back of Easy Outlets securely to the wall. Includes USB-A and USB-C outlets for convenient charging. Cradle at the top for easy phone charging. Ideal for tight spaces and heavy furniture. Enhance the functionality of your environment. Get yours today and simplify your life.